Hey everyone, in this video we are going to download and install the Arduino IDE on Mac. So for that, just go to Google and write there Arduino. Then you will get this website arduino.cc. Click on this one and here on the top in software, click on downloads. Then you will get a web page like this one. Here you will find different options to download it for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. So here click on Mac OS X 10.10 or newer. Then here click on just download. Then it will automatically start to download and there we go. So let's just wait for this one. So there we go with the downloading, and once it's done it will automatically decompress the files on your system and install the application. After which you just need to provide some permissions to that application so that it can run on your Mac. And for that just go to the downloads. There you will find the application. So just double click on this one and then it will ask you for the permissions. So here we have Arduino is an app downloaded from the internet. Are you sure want to open it? So just click on open and there we go with the application. So here it will perform some processings and then our Arduino IDE will start. So there we go with preparing boards, starting, and here we have our editor. So this is the Arduino IDE that we are going to use in this course, and I hope you got the same results and this one is installed in your computer successfully. So thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.